Amazon today. So Amazon, if you look at the 5-minute time frame, it was consolidating. But if you look at the bigger time frames here, we're just going to go to the hourly. Amazon has a big supply zone here. Last week I had Amazon puts. I made some profit, but I got stopped out on a bigger play here when it gapped up overnight. Okay, so today the reason for my Amazon play was you can see price started to consolidate. Whenever it makes a move, price does consolidate, right? So I was just watching Amazon here. It was either going to go up if the market started to move up, or it was going to break down, right? So if just looking at Amazon, the 15-minute and the 5-minute time frame, Amazon consolidated, tried to break here. We saw the next candle push above on the 5-minute, so no trade here. And then this is just consolidation, but Amazon unable to make new highs here, still below the VWAP, right? You see the price push down here, got below the pre-market low, which was below yesterday's low. So it gave me confidence to take a trade on the downside on Amazon. I took a quick profit here on Amazon, and I had you know, some decent size in it. Just a reason I knew the market was weak, because I was also tracking NQ with Amazon as well, right? So if we just have a look at NQ on the similar time frame, we saw NQ was also starting to break down. So this gave me confidence in my Amazon put position, because NQ was starting to come down drastically, right? So with that in mind, looking at Amazon, I was able to hold on to my position. Now we're starting to see some sort of consolidation, because Amazon still has a gap down possibility to about 28.06. But with the FMOC this week, I don't want to take a risk, right? So let's look at Moderna. Moderna, it came up, you know, based on the fact that, you know, news out of China that COVID is increasing there, and one of their major tech hub cities is in lockdown. So due to which I was able to take a quick trade, but it wasn't for a huge profit. It was for like maybe 100 to 200 bucks. The reason being is, first of all, the opening range break, it was very wide. It had a quick play already, and I was able to take it from the 154. So this is where I took my entry. The reason why I took my entry at this level, so if you look at the 1-hour time frame, this was a huge resistance level where Moderna needed to get over. So this level of supply was where sellers were sitting. If buyers were able to get above this, it had a room to run to 170, right? So that's why you have to look at the multiple time frame analysis before you decide what your target price is, right? So I was fortunate enough that it did go up and it consolidated, and then it pushed higher above opening range break. This led me to hold my position just for a little bit longer when it came back to test it and held above. However, then I started to take quick profits, because I knew the move was getting very vertical and needed a breather, and I wanted to see some sort of consolidation before taking another play in Moderna. But unfortunately, I did not get an opportunity, but that's okay. It's just how the market is. However, Moderna can continue to move in the coming days if news about, you know, COVID spread or COVID fears does continue to increase. All right, so these are the quick plays that I took for a quick profit today. All right.